this is Gail again. I'll be showing with you guys what are the common tools that I use as a social media manager.
Here are the common tools that I use, as I use as a social media manager. Kung sino man yung mga experience dyan, you can comment down what are the common tools that you are using that are relevant as a social media manager. Okay, number one, communication. A wide variety of communication tools are used for external and internal communication. These tools include mail, email, telephones, cell phones, smartphones, computer, video, and web conferencing tools, social networking, as well as online collaboration and productivity platforms. So example is Skype and Gmail and Zoom. So here is what looks like in Skype. So ayoko na masyado ipakita, pero yun yung itsura ng Skype. And then here's the Gmail. So, ayan. Okay, here in the Gmail, kanina kasi na-discuss ko na eh. Like, for example, eto, this is my another Gmail account. Kunyari si client to, and gusto ko kasing naka-organize. So, what I do is I create label. So, makikita nyo siya dito. Create new label, tapos type nyo, kunyari, client. Tapos create. Ako kasi nakapag-create na ako kanina sa unang video. So, ayan, dito nakalagay client. This is label. Tapos, pwede nyo siyang ibahin yung color. Red. Pero, mas okay yung matinta dahil black na nga. Pwede mong gawin is you can just drag it and then put it here on the client, or you can right click and then label as client. So, ayan, lalabas na may client. Pero if you don't want this to see sa inbox mo, you can just put it here. Okay. So, ganon. And then, kung nag-worry ka, dahil nadala mo siya dito, you can move it to inbox. Pero nakalagay pa rin na it is under the label client. Okay, the next thing is, wait lang. For me, very important to create to create signatures. So, see all settings dito. Here, signature create new. For example, okay, lagyan na natin dito. Create. Dito nyo ilalagay yung signature. So, search tayo ng free signature generator. So, ito sa Signwell, free signature. So, sa signature kasi, parang it just give, paano ba, authority? It gives you identity and it looks more legit kasi when you have signature. So, ang itsura kasi ng signature, okay, eto, this is the one that I'm currently using. Ay, hindi pala siya kita. So, anyways, lipat tayo sa isa kong email. Ah, siya. So, ayan. Ito yung itsura ng aking signature. Okay, so, yun natin. Okay. Second is cloud storage. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on the internet through a cloud computing provider that manages and operates data storage as a service. It delivers on demand with just-in-time capacity and cost and eliminates buying and managing your own data storage infrastructure. Okay. So, si cloud storage, kasi sobrang importante rin yan. Dahil 'di ba before, I don't know kung naabutan nyo yung mga nagpa-floppy disk. Tama ba floppy disk yung tawag doon? And then, napunta na si CDs. Ako, parang bata ako. my mom and my dad would store images sa CDs. And then, ngayon, we are using flash drives. So, cloud storage won't be needing those physical storage, tama ba? Storage tools, storage something. So, hindi na kailangan nun because meron ng cloud storage. In cloud storage, meron usually free, meron ding paid. So, the examples pala is Dropbox, G Drive, iCloud, OneDrive. So, ang pinaka-common syempre is the G Drive. So, makita nyo dito. Ayun na, meron ditong storage. So, andito si Google Drive. So, 0 GB pa lang yung nagagamit ko for this email. So, you can access it here. Dito sa box na to, Google Apps and then Drive. And then, My Drive. You can create documents, sheets, slides, and form. Also, kung meron na kayong existing file or folder, you can just upload it or create another folder. Okay? Dito sa shared with me, dito yung mga shinare sa inyo ng colleagues nyo, co-worker, or someone, individual, na share lang sa inyo. So, ito, shinare ko to kanina dito sa account na to. So, nakita nyo, Francis Gilnana shared today. So, ayun. Okay, let's exit this. Exit this. Project management. Project management will assist an individual or team in organizing and managing their projects and tasks effectively. The term usually refers to project management software you can purchase online or even use for free. So, example of these are Trello, Asana, and Airtable. These three, syempre, ang number one ko is Airtable. So, si Trello kasi, I don't know kung hindi ko siya na ma-maximize well, pero honestly, I don't really like the interface. So, sorry po sa Trello. So, just to give an idea, this is what Trello looks like. So, SM campaign. So, ganyan siya by blocks. Which is actually okay naman. So, week 1, you can just click it and then edit mo, lagyan mo dito yung description. And then, pwede ka mag-add ng member, lagyan siya ng label, checklist, date, attachment, like photos or something, or link, pwede rin, cover, and then add button. So, ayun, this is Trello. While, medyo same, alam ko medyo same sila ni Asana. So, this is what Airtable looks like. For me kasi, si Airtable, mas mukha siyang friendly. Sorry sa client ko yan. So, dito sa Project Rivera. So, ganito yung itsura ng aking workspace kay Airtable. So, nasa grid view yan. And then, meron si calendar. So, kapag kunyari, gumagawa kayo ng content, di ba mas better na naka-calendar? And then, Kanban. So, ayan. Diba, ang daming view na pwedeng makuha. So, ayan, marami dito. Though, merong iba na hindi pwede kasi dapat mag-upgrade to pro account. Pero sa free version, marami ka na magagawa. So, this is free pala ha. So, like for example, create tayo. Create empty table. Usually, meron nang lumalabas na ganito. Usually. So, ito, ang tawag dito, fields. So, kapag clinic mo siya, pwede mo siyang i-custom. So, ibahin mo. Kunyari, gusto mo gayahin yung una ko. So, I want this first as date. And then, click mo dito kung ano siya. Kung anong type. So, ayan, date. Save. Tapos, kunwari, ang next mo is attachment. Ay, dito na pala si attachment. Si note na nakalagay dito, long text. Pero, gusto mo dito nakalagay is yung mga social media channels. So, palitan natin. Ang pwede natin ilagay is asan na no? Ito. Multiple select. So, channels. Lagyan natin. Channels. Add option. Lagyan natin Facebook. Add option. Twitter. Add option. LinkedIn. So, save. Ay, save. And then, dito attachment. Huwag na natin ibahin. Pero, pwede yung lagay na assets. Save. And then, status, yan, nakalagay naman na. Okay. So, add pa tayo kasi walang nakalagay na caption. So, lagay natin caption. So, yun is saan ba? Sorry, medyo bulag ako. Long text. So, create field. So, pwede nyo siyang i-drag-drag kung sino yung gusto nyong mauna. Pero ito, hindi na ito na-drag yung first. So, make sure na yung first, yan talaga yung gusto nyong nandyan. Kasi hindi nyo na siya pwede nyo siyang i-edit dito. Pero, hindi ko tulad dito na pwede nyo i-drag-drag. Okay? Next. Grabe, ang lamig. Wait lang. Okay. So, na tayo. Time tracker. So, the time tracker that I'm currently using is Blockify. So, what is time tracker? Time tracking software is a category of computer software that allows its employees to record time spent on tasks or projects. The software is used in many industries, including those that employ freelancers and hourly workers. It is also used by professionals who bill their customers by the hour. So, as I mentioned nga, what I'm currently using is Blockify. So, andito na siya. You can have the extension because it's much more easier. Yun nga lang, kapag extension kasi, usually bumabagal yung ah internet. Tama ba? Internet or yung computer. Basta may bumabagal. So, like for example, like right now, sabihin natin, I'm doing my lesson plan. So, you can start. Tapos, kapag billable, ibig sabihin, yan yung ano, yan yung papabayad mo kay client. So, okay. So, here, stop. Okay. Pero, yun na. Nakikita naman dito kung billable or ano. Delete na lang natin. Delete. Okay. Pwede kayo mag-explore ng iba, pero ako kasi mas bet ko si Clockify. Next, Password Manager. A password manager is a computer program that allows users to store, generate, and manage their passwords for local applications and online service. A password manager assists in generating and retrieving context passwords, storing such passwords in an encrypted database, or calculating them on demand. So, what I'm currently using, so sa example is LastPass. So, Gail, bakit kailangan namin ito? The reason is like for example, si client, syempre, meron siyang mga passwords na ayaw ibigay sa inyo. Like for example, gusto niya mag-handle kayo ng social media accounts niya, pero ayaw niya naman na makita niyo yung password for security purposes din. Okay, login tayo. Login na naman. Ayan, ganito yung itsura ni LastPass. So, sige. Kapag kunyari merong nag-ano sa inyo, merong nag-share ng password sa inyo, makikita nyo yan sa sharing center. or minsan lumalabas siya dito tapos i-accept mo or hindi. Tapos kapag kunyari meron na nag-share, hindi ko kasi pwedeng ipakita yung nandito eh. Pwede nyo siyang i-launch. Kapag ni-launch nyo, automatically, pupunta kayo dun sa website, tapos lalabas na yung login credentials, tapos isa-sign in nyo na lang. Okay? Next one is online appointment scheduling software. Online appointment scheduling software, also known as web-based appointment system, is a type of digital solution that allows citizens to book, schedule, or cancel their appointment through web-based system. So, examples, Calendly. Sobrang matunog si Calendly. So, I do hope lahat kayo meron ng Calendly. So, ito itsura ni Calendly. My account. So, ayan. So, usually, pwede nyo siyang i-copy link. Like, for example, merong nakipag-book sa inyo na client and then that client's asking for your schedule kung kailan kayo best time. You can just send this, the link. So, yun nga, the copy link. Copy link and then ganito siya lalabas. Example, ayan. Ito yung may mga available time. So, naka-integrate siya kay Zoom. So, kapag kunyari, kunyari, nag-book sila doon. So, lalabas na yung Zoom link. Okay. So, dito, ito kasi, this is just a free version. So, one event at a time lang. So, hindi pwedeng marami. Okay, the next is Writing Assistant. A writing assistant is a software program that uses artificial intelligence technology to help writers with the creative process. This can include everything from offering a grammar checker to assist the nuances of the language and make your writing more engaging. So, my example is Grammarly and Killbot. So, meron pang iba, which is the Copy AI. So, Copy AI is a marketing, tama ba? Okay, search na nga lang natin. Ayokong bigay ng hindi ako magaling mag-explain talaga. So, sorry. So, si Copy AI kasi is like, for example, you are not a really good writer. Si Copy AI, they will help you to generate marketing copies or kahit anong copy. So, ayan. Meron na kasi ako nito, pero naka-free trial lang ako nun. And tapos na yung free trial ko. So, hindi ko siya mapapakita. So, sorry. Meron tong parang equivalent to Jarvis. So, ayan o. It automates creativity tools. You can generate marketing copy in seconds. So, for example, ikaw, you want to write about dementia. So, click mo lang doon yung first sentence mo. Basta nakalagay yung topic mo about dementia. Tapos, mag-generate na siya ng copies. So, the next is Grammarly. This is the Grammarly. So, ito lumalabas siya. Meron akong, I should correct the spelling. So, this is traitor. So, correct lang. So, lalabas dito yung mga issues. Pero this is for premium accounts na. This is just for free kasi. And then the next is Killbot. So, Killbot is paraphrasing tool. For example, inutusan kayo na gumawa ng marketing campaign for email. So, mag-email campaign. Sinabi ko na una. Sabihin natin sample. Baliktad pala yung sabi ko marketing email campaign. So, email marketing campaign. Okay, nala tayo ng sample. May ba dito sample? Wala kang sample. Para makita nyo. Emails to sample. Ito, for example, ito. Dahil ako, honestly, hindi ako magaling sa English. So, ang ginagawa ko, nagaganito na lang ako. Nagpa-paraphrase ako. There's nothing wrong naman. So, naging a paraphrase. So, ayan. Lumalabas na siya. You can also use this kapag, kunyari, meron kayo nakita online na gusto nyong i-post, kaya lang natakot kayo na baka ma-copyright kayo. So, you can also use this para i-paraphrase. So, ayun. The next is VPN. So, probably not all of you will be using VPN. Kung kunyari, if you're just looking for a local client. But, for someone who has uh, foreign clients, so it is very important, especially if you're going to log into their social media accounts, because the tendency, if you are not using VPN, it might get the account, your client's account, social media accounts might get restricted. Like for example, you're going to open their Facebook. Siyempre, makikita ni Facebook na, oh, why this account opened in in the Philippines. So, maraming kasing social media account na strict like LinkedIn. So, we don't want your client to get restricted. So, ayun, VPN. So, di ko na pala binasa ang yung meaning. A virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables user to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their computer devices were directly connected to the private network. So, honestly, hindi ko na naintindihan yung explanation. Pero, yun nga yung job ni VPN is for you to, paano ba? Parang namamas niya yung location mo. Like, for example, wala kasi ako ditong VPN na naka-install. Tama ba? Wala. Pero, ang gamit ko sa dati kong client is Nord. Si Nord, okay siya. But the problem is, hindi lahat ng locations lumalabas. And then the other one is Windscribe. So, ano natin si Windscribe? This is, si Windscribe, free siya, while si Nord kasi paid. So, login tayo. Ay, get started na lang pala. Hindi ko maalala yung account ko. So, you can start with Chrome. This is the extension and this is yung mismong mada-download siya dito sa computer mo. So, you start with Chrome para extension lang. So, add the Chrome. Add extension. So, get started. Skip natin. So, ayan, makikita nyo dito, naka-autopilot siya. Pero kapag gusto nyo makita kung ano yung possible yung mga available locations. So, ayun, i-click nyo nga itong location menu. Tapos, kunyari, gusto nyo US East. Tingnan nyo kung ano yung mga under doon. So, meron kasing mga naka pang premium account. So, dahil free lang to, sobrang limited lang din. Pero not bad. So, at least alam nyo yung itsura ni VPN. So, off natin siya. So, 2 gig left. 2 gig lang per month siya. Pero mag-replenish siya monthly. Pero, kapag meron kang account, pero kahit free magiging 10 gig siya per month. Okay. Then next, social media posting scheduling. Yeah. Sorry, ulit. Social media posting and scheduling. You can design and bulk schedule multiple posts at once using social media scheduling software platform. You can do this at the same time that suits you and then use your tool of choice to deliver your posts at the best time. They also give you time to create and push more content. So, si Hootsuite kasi, dati pa ako may Hootsuite, pero hindi ko kasi alam kung kapag bago ka, merong parang 30-day free trial. So, I recommend not to use this one kung hindi pa kayo mag-post. Kasi sobrang sayang naman. The social sign in. Sign in Twitter. Okay. Medyo kasi iba yung gamit kong Twitter, so hindi kong papakita pala si Hootsuite. Pero ayun, si Hootsuite, mas okay siya to use the social sign in Twitter. For me lang but nakadepende sa inyo. Sorry kung medyo parang lutang-lutang. So I'm currently doing this 12:54 a.m. So pakita ko na lang sa inyo si Business Suite. So meron pa kasi dito si Hootsuite, Facebook Publishing Tool. Si Facebook Publishing Tool, most probably some of you can't access this anymore. Kasi sa mga old pages lang siya makikita na. Then Creator Studio. So I use Creator Studio whenever I feel like I want to post reels or videos that is more than 1 minute para maging IGTV sa Instagram. And then the Business Suite. So, yan, pakita ko pala. This is the Business Suite. So, naka-ano na siya sa akin. Naka-bookmark. So, ayan pala. Ito pala yung Creator Studio din. So, si Creator Studio. So, ayan. You can create posts. Ayan ang Instagram feed or IG video. So, dito. So, create post, add story, upload video. Pwede ka rin mag-go live, post video across pages. Pero ako, kapag magpo-post lang, as in post, I post it via Business Suite. So, create post. And then, yan, pwede nyo siyang i-schedule. Tapos, check nyo din sa Instagram. Make sure na connect si Instagram then with your Facebook page. And then, kunyari, tapos na kayo, publish lang or schedule. Pwede rin kayo mag-create ng story. And then, makikita nyo dito si publish. So, eto, nandito si planner. So, makikita nyo siya na nakaano. So, ayun guys. Yun natin yung sa month. So, yan. Okay. So, let's move on to, meron pa lang ibang other, social media scheduling software. Meron Sprout Social, tas Later. So, yun nga, I recommend na gamitin nyo lang siya kapag magpo-post na kayo kasi sayang yung free trial. And then, lastly, actually, feeling ko marami pa, pero hindi ko maisip kung ano yun. Pero, ito talaga yung pinaka-common. So, lastly is graphic software. So, graphic software refers to a program or collection of programs that enable a person to manipulate images or models visually on a computer. Different types of software are often designed to edit different types of graphics, such as video, photo, and vector-based drawing. So, example, Photoshop, Illustrator. So, ayun, yung may red line, that's the Grammarly. And then, InDesign, Figma, and then Canva. So,